This, folks, here we are. We've got to now style this, and we've got to get the comments ready. So let's do just that right now. We're done with the users. Get rid of that. We're done with the edit. So now we have routes. I already have the comments in there, so we're already done with that. But we have this. So now let's take care of that. And as I said, this thing here, this is going to have to be moved in such a way. Now let me just take a look at YouTube for a sec, because I want to double check. If I were to go to this, right, and I were to say...
Your mouth gives you a lot.
So...
This holiday,
no border there.
gift your mouth a Quip Smart Electric Toothbrush.
Doesn't really separate. Just do like that. So no borders, no separations. So let's get this started. Now, view comment area is beneath. So let's do this. View comment, view blog wrapper, view blog header. All right, so let's get that done. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so let's go back up to the view blog. I didn't touch on it. All right, let's keep it around the blog area. So let's go. View blog styling. All right, so I'm going to say view blog wrapper. And we'll give it a height of 5 pixels. And we'll give it a margin bottom of 10 pixels. And then blog, geez, can't type. View blog body. We'll give that a height of 400 pixels, and we'll give a margin top 10, and padding. Got to put my padding in there, and then view blog info. Oops. Blog info. We'll finally do a float. We'll do float right. We'll do font size. We'll hold off on that for now. No, I'll say font size 14 pixels. All right, so let's see what all this moving and maneuvering is doing. So it's not bad, but I want this down here. So let's go like this. It looks okay. And then we got to do that. So oh yeah, that was published as today. Okay, so why are you view blog body? Yeah, I mean I get, you know why? Because yeah, that's why. So let's put that over here. Yeah, let me put that here. 1 second. View blog post body. I'll just put that in the div. Okay. So I don't need that. But I do need view blog post body. And that should be 400 pixels. Okay. Now that should push everything down. And there it is. I want to put... I thought I put them... Oh wait, that's the whole thing, right? Yes, let me get that in here. Yeah, let me get that out here. Or we'll do 450. You can give it some room. And that's better. All right, so now we're going to fix that. So that is the view blog info, and that is view blog user. I think yeah, no, I want to change that. Color, RGBA, font style, italic, and then view blog info A, same thing. Text decoration none, and then view blog info A hover, font size 600. Okay, so that should make this look better. And there you go. And then when you come here, why you're not? Oh, font size. Font weight. That's better. So that's all done. Right, the styling of this is finished. Let me just double check. So when you, there you go. See, so when you hover. All right, so of course we don't want that to look like that. That's a little ridiculous. So we are now going to go, where are we? So it's view comment area, right? And that's also going to be a height of 400 pixels. And we're going to give it a width. No, I'll keep it like that. Comment. View comment comments. Let me see. View comment user. We're going to say display flex, and we're going to just keep it display flex. And I'm going to say that the width is 100%. I don't think I really need to. I think by default it would be 100%. And let's do that. I mean, yeah, probably not going to have anything with it moving now. So view comment user. So view comment pick spot. Yeah, we're gonna make that small. So view actually. No, that should be view. Wait, hold on. How did I do this? View comment comments is this whole thing. So then that, yeah, so that's the way it should be. View comment comments. Now, view comment, let's see, view comment user should be the border and all that. And that should be height of 40 pixels, width of 40 pixels, border radius of 50%, and that should, and then and border. Border 2 pixels, blah, 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 like that, and view comment user image, and view comment initials, I believe, right? View comment initials. And that will be width of 100%, height of 100%, and border radius of 50%, and then view comment. view comment, text, actually view comment text we're going to say width of 600 pixels and view comment text area. We just want to have that line be border, none, border bottom, 1 pix, solid RGB, and we'll just do 2. And then when we do the view comment, text area, focus, we'll do the border bottom, 1 pix solid var, color, and then we'll do view comment text placeholder. We'll say font size 14 pixels, font family Arial, blah blah blah, and color RGB, yada yada. Let's hold our collective breaths and see if this worked. I mean, it's there, but it's like, it's not. Okay, hold on. I thought I said 600 pixels. Why is that like that? Okay, hold on. No, yeah, outline, I got rid of that. Well, here, hold on. I thought 100% would have done it, but let me see. It's like kind of. That's better. All right, so view. Why is this? Well, I want to move this down. So view common area, we got to move down. View common area, and then we'll say margin top. We'll do 20 pixels. I don't know who keeps revving up their engine like that, but it's really annoying. All right, and where's the comment button?
Hey, it's Justice. Admittedly, I've tried to record this video.
Whoever's doing that needs to stop. All right, so comment text there. I mean, I said that. Oh, I didn't say that. All right, so comment text there with 100%. None. Resize. None. There you go. And in the comment, we're going to have to, hold on, I got to move that out of this area. Like this has got to go. This has got to go in its own spot. What the hell are you doing? There you go. Now, we can also float that right. View comment button. So, view comment button. So let's float that right. And I'll float that right. Float right is kind of like a position absolute where it just pushes everything over to the right. See, like that. So then when you see that. So we have that ready. All right. And what we want to do now is we got to make the area where you comment everything. So let's go like this. So that's view comments area. Okay. And I'm going to have to put an ID on that. Did I put an ID? I put an ID on this, right? Post comment, that's the onClick. That's the button, but I need an ID for the text area. Where's the text area? Yeah, view comment. Okay, so I have to put an ID on this. Comment list. Oh, and I need an area for the error. Let's put it here. And then I'm just going to have to say that the view comment text area will be like a height. View comment text will be a height of, let's try 40. Let's not do that. Let's do margin bottom. Okay. All right, so then your errors should be in there. Let's take a look. So if I go in the errors and I do this, did I save? I did. All right, so that's good. So then you get your errors and you can see everything. So, all right, errors shouldn't be that long. So with the view comments area, comments area, with the view comments area, right? We're going to say the height is, well, we don't really need that. Yeah, no, we do. Height, 500 pixels. And then we're going to say overflow will be auto, and padding will say is 5. Okay? So there you have it. So now, what we have to do is we have to take all the comments for this specific post, and we have to make sure that they list as they are. And we have to build a certain manner in which it's posted. So we don't have any comments right now. So let's go over to the blogs, or the blog, the blogs controller. Where are you? So where the view, the view page. So now we have to say view comments equals new comment. And with that, let me see if I can do it this way, because I want to make sure it doesn't print out. What do I need? I just need the username. Right, so I just need the username. So we're going to go get blog comments. It's going to be view comments, where comments post ID, and that would equal the ID because that's the ID of the post, join info, where comments dot user ID equals info user ID, and we're going to get, and then we're going to get results array. So we get all of them. And then at that point, we're going to just go like this. Hack view comments. And that will be get blog comments. All right? So we're sending that extra layer of an array. So now here, what we can do in the view is we can say, we can do the old PHP if view comments, well, we'll do a row count, we'll do a count. view comments is less than 1, then else, and then we'll end the if. Right, so if it's less than 1, then we're just going to put in a paragraph here, and we're going to give it no data, and we're going to say there aren't any feckin' comments. But if there are comments, then we're going to have to do a PHP for each view comments as VC, and then we're going to have to end it for each. Oh, I forgot that. I'm looking and I'm saying, wait a minute, it doesn't look right. So, and basically, what we're gonna just more or less remake this. In fact, oh yeah, no, I need pick and everything. Sorry. Well, yeah, I can just. In fact, I mean, these are all classes. I can just redo this. Yeah, I can just redo this. No, let's not do that. So let's go view. Let's go comment area. Comments area, right? And we'll do pretty much the same thing that we did here. Comments user. And then we'll just go PHP if, this is why this takes so long. Pick, because there's just so much you got to do here. That. Because don't forget, we have to do this for each individual post. And if. And too bad they don't have frameworks that make this stuff easier or quicker. I don't want to say easier, quicker. Now you could just make a function, I guess, but pick spot comments initials, and it's going to be identical to that. It's just not going to have a it's not going to have a text area. Fecker public just user. And then it's just going to be the comment. So it'll be comments text, and it will just be the comment. Well, it won't just be the comment. It'll actually be comments comment, which will be this. And that will be VC comment body, was it? Let me take a look. Let me double check. Comments. Clearly, we're not going to be done with this today. Comment body. It's comments, but it's comment body, which is what I got. And then we're going to div that. Oops. Comments date. And we've done these dates before. Now, the fun part is when we have to do this again in the back end. So so it would be date. So we have to give it the format, which is month, day. Again, you could make a function that does like the what's called carbon dating, like how much time from when we are. So it was like, you know, you could do like 3 days ago, whatever. It's just that you would basically have to take you would more or less have to take you would have to take the date in numbers and compare it to now in numbers, and then do like subtraction and just kind of see if it's divided by 60, then it would be how many moments ago. If it was divided by, you know, so. All right, right, so actually I need something here. All right, so we'll do that. And then I'll just put another thing here. Comments, username. Commented. And then just put something here. I think you, please tell me username is in info. It is, okay, good. So we don't really, whoops, wrong one. So we don't really have, we don't have any comments. So we're supposed to see that. Now that's not, no data though, hold on. So we're not going to do any real functionality with this. What time is it? I could get it started. I'll try it again. Okay, that's better. So I want to move this down though. So let me see. View comments, comments area. View comments, comments area. Margin top 20 pixels. Let's give it some space. Because we want to be able to comment on these posts. That's better. Maybe a little bit more. 240. Again, I mean, I could get really whatever we're doing is not any different than what we've already been doing in terms of like when we post the comments. We're going to use the JavaScript to take it. So that's function. What did I say? Post comment. Post comment. I'll say PCID just to break it up. And you know, same thing. Oh, I don't. Oh. Whoops. No, I don't. Okay, hold on. I didn't put. What happened? Oh. No, whatever. I didn't put a. I did not put a hidden field for the thing. Where are we? So let me put in a hidden field for the CSRF token. And we'll put it, well, I mean, we could put it anywhere, but we'll put it right up here. Value equals hash, and the ID will be comment token. So we're all ready to go now to program this anyway. So I can just do that. I can go var comment body equals document get element by ID, and I called it what? I called it, I can't find anything here. I called it view comments. Makes sense. And then var comment token equals document. Now, there's something new that we're going to have to do here, and I'm going to have to really get into the programming of this. So, right, so this was comment token. This is, okay. So you see this, the comment list, right? We need to view comment list. We need to take that as well. Var view, right, comment list equals to view comment list. And we're not going to get the value, we're going to get the inner HTML. Okay? And I'm going to just alert when we press it. I'm just going to alert because I want you to see what it's actually going to produce for you. Okay, so let's do that. So if I hit comment, this is what it's going to produce. P class no data. So what we need to do is we need to say that if this equals this, then what we're going to do in the next instance to start adding comments, because we want this to be without refresh, right? So we want to be able to type in this, and then when we type that in, it pops up here and everything else moves down. That's what we want, and that's what we're going to build. When I return next time, I will see you then.